Hello everyone. Today we will solve a few most important MCQs on family law. Okay, which is very important for our All India Bar examination this year because in the syllabus this family law consists of total 8 marks. That means 8 marks का question पूछा जाएगा. That total 8 questions will be asked. So without any further delay, let's start today's session. So, the first question is our to whom Hindu law is not applied. Okay, to whom Hindu law is not applied. Options are a person who is not a Muslim, Christian, Parsi, or Jew, Hindu by birth, a Hindu who converts to Christianity, a person who converts to Hinduism. In this case, the correct option would be option C. That means a Hindu who converts to Christianity then that uh, that time Hindu law is not applied to him. Then at time Hindu law Hindu law is not applied to him. Applied to him. Okay, so in this case option C would be the correct answer. So now moving to next question. Marriage is sacrament among the whom? Options are Hindus, Muslims, Christians, both A and B. So the correct option would be option D. That means marriage is sacrament both among the Hindus and the Christians. So in this case, option D would be the correct answer. So now on to next question. Law relating to marriages amongst Hindu has been codified under which of the following acts? Options are Hindu Marriage Act 1955, Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956, Child Marriage Restraint Act 1929, and all of the above. So in this case, the correct option would be option A. That means Hindu Marriage Act 1955. That means law relating to marriage amongst the Hindus has been codified under which act? Under Hindu Marriage Act 1955. So in this case, option A would be the correct answer. So now moving to next question. Next question is marriage of two Hindus can be solemnized under which of the following act? Options are Hindu Marriage Act 1955, Special Marriage Act 1954, either A or B and only A and not B. So in this case, the correct option would be option C. That means either A or B. That means marriage of two Hindus. कोई भी दो Hindu between the two Hindus, marriage can be solemnized under either Hindu Marriage Act 1955 or under Special Marriage Act 1954. So in this case option C would be the correct answer. So now moving to next question. Next question is overriding effect to the provision of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 have been given virtue of options are Section 3 of the Hindu Marriage Act, Section 4 of the Hindu Marriage Act, Section 6 of the Hindu Marriage Act, and Section 29 of the Hindu Marriage Act. So, in this case, the correct option would be Section 4 of the Hindu Marriage Act. That means overriding effect of the provision of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 have been given under which section? Under Section 4 of the Hindu Marriage Act. So, in this case, option B would be the correct answer. So, now moving to next question. Next question is under the Hindu Marriage Act, Hindu includes options are Buddhist, Sikh, Jain, all the above. So in this case, the correct option would be option D. That means Hindu includes Buddhist, Sikh and Jain. ये तीनों include है. ठीक है. So in this case, option D would be the correct answer. So now moving to next question. These questions are very important. Okay. Please read these questions very carefully. These questions are very, very important questions for your All India Bar examination. So now moving to next question. Who among the following is not Hindu? Okay, within the meaning of section 2 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Options are Christian, Parsi, Jew, all of the above. Okay, so in this case, the correct option would be option D. That means who in the following is not Hindu? Christian is not Hindu, Parsi is not Hindu, Jew is not Hindu. Okay, so in this case, option D would be the correct answer. Okay, now moving to next question. Next question is a person shall be Hindu, okay, by religion. Options are if both of his parents are Hindus, if one of his parents is Hindu and has been brought up as Hindu, either A or B, only A, not B. So in this case, correct option would be option C. That means a person shall be a Hindu by religion if both of his parents are Hindus, or if one of his parents is a Hindu and has been brought up as a Hindu. So in this case, option C would be the correct answer. So now moving to next question. Next question is a person can become Hindu. A person can become Hindu. Options are by conversion, by reconversion, by both A and B, by neither A or B. So in this case, the correct option would be option C. That means a person can become Hindu. कैसे बन सकते हैं? Either by conversion or by reconversion. So in this case, option C would be the correct answer. I'm again telling that these questions are very important, okay, from family law, because here total questions, 8 questions will be asked. Okay, 8 questions will be asked. So take this part very seriously. Okay, and these questions are very important questions. Before going to exam, please these MCQs very carefully, and try to memorize the sections at least, so that you can tick the correct answer. Okay, so now moving to next question. Next question is under section 3 of the Hindu Marriage Act, a rule can be a custom or uses. Okay, options are if it is certain and not unreasonable, if it is not certain but reasonable, if it is neither certain nor reasonable, it is either certain or reasonable. So in this case, option A would be the correct answer. That means option A would be the correct answer. Okay, now moving to next question. Next question is marriage. Okay, marriage under Hindu Marriage Act 1955 is एक minute. ऑप्शंस आर प्योरली सेक्रामेंटल. ओके, बाकी ऑप्शंस नहीं दिया गया है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर वुड बी दैट मीन्स मैरिज अंडर हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट 1955 is purely sacramental. That means solemn pledge. Solemn pledge. Okay, that means what is sacrament? I already discussed this earlier, that sacrament means important religious ceremony among the Hindus. Okay, that's why it is called solemn pledge. It is not a contract. Always remember that means under Hindu law. Okay, under Hindu law, marriage is always sacrament. Okay, not a contract. Not a contract. Okay, not a contract. That means it is always a sacrament. Sacrament means an important religious ceremony. What is sacrament? Sacrament means an important religious ceremony. Okay, so in this case, option A would be the correct answer. So now moving to next question. This is the last question. Okay, a marriage solemnized between the two persons who are related to each other with degree of prohibited relationship shall be. Options are void, voidable, valid and invalid. So in this case, the correct option would be option A. That means void. Option A would be the correct answer. That means अगर कोई भी marriage होता है solemnized between the two persons who are related to each other by degree of prohibited relationship, then in that case that marriage will be void in the eyes of law. That will be void in the eyes of law. So this is for all today. If you liked this lecture, please like this video and please subscribe this channel. Okay, see you in the next video. And yes, if you have any confusion, then please let me know in the comment section. Okay, see you in the next video.